The Mars 3, the world's first truly outdoor projector. We're gonna use this projector to make this storage room into a movie theater. It's so sharp, no delay, no ghosting, no lagging, 1080p, amazing brightness. I can be here all day, guys. So that's the plan. We're gonna use this projector to camp out in our storage unit and make it a home theater. Let's unbox. Boom, boom, quick start, boom. Power adapter, 180 watts, the remote control. That's a projector. Wow, it's such a good size projector. The Mars 3. Whoa, open this up. Whoa, did you see that? It has a retraction, the Mars 3. Now I know what they meant about the protection. It protects the lens, and this thing is waterproof too. And it's drop resistant, sweet. Oh, you have a built-in adjustable angle. Using this right here, you can change the angle of your projector. No need for a stand. Like this, you see? We have a stand, we have an angle adjustment. You want it flat? Boom. You want a low angle? Boom. You want a big angle? Boom. That's perfect, nice. You have built-in speakers. This thing projects 1080p, and you got a built-in light right there. Perfect for camping too. Ooh, it gets brighter. Oh, even brighter. Oh, nice. And back here, you got your outputs and inputs. You got your DC input. Your output is USB Type-C, so you can connect your laptop and other small USB devices and charge them, or USB-A. You have an HDMI input, auxiliary port, and you have the LED right there. Boom, boom. That's the same button we're pushing out here. So you don't even need to open these ports when you want to use the LED, because then now it's dust-proof right there. Sweet. Awesome. Nice projector. You got some nice surface over here. Ooh, that handle is comfy. So that's the handle right here. You have a button back here. This one indicates your battery. And then we have the controls over here. Are you ready to see what we've done? We just made the shed a movie theater with this, the Mars 3. This is truly the ultimate outdoor projector you can use anywhere. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Open this up. Open. Door number 1, door number 2. Look at that. We just powered it up. The projector is literally on the ground. You don't need a table or anything because that's built-in adjustment. Even if you have it at this level, it will adjust for you. It's very good. If you have this high, it will adjust and correct the angle for you. How cool is that? So you can put the projector anywhere, right? And it does the angle adjustments and everything. It's so good. This projector is so good. So that allows me to put it literally on the ground. So when I'm camping, I don't need to worry about a table or anything. And this thing even has a camp light, like right here. You have a nice little camp light. There's 3 levels of the camp light. This thing is weatherproof. The lens is dustproof. So if you want to, you can turn it off by just closing that and it'll turn off. You also have built-in speaker. This thing has 5-hour battery life. And not only that, you have an output right here. I have USB-C output and USB-A output. So I can charge my phone, my Nintendo Switch, my laptop. While this thing is being used as a projector, I can use it as a power bank. The battery life is incredible. 1080p, super sharp resolution. We can project up to 200-inch on this thing. And this is the Mars 3. It's crazy. 1080p, super bright. This thing can go up to 200-inch screen. This is the Mars 3. We got a step right there. The night light right here, or the camping light. You have some nice light right here. You have the battery indicator, sweet handle. You have the controls over here to move things around. Let's go ahead and sync our remote control. Push the 0 and minus button at the same time. So the center and minus button, boom, connecting. Let's go ahead and set up our Wi-Fi. Now we're connecting to our wireless network. It does 5G, so that's perfect. Your D2333 is powered by Android TV. So now we got the Android TV set up right here. We're setting up our Android TV. All right, let's go next right here. Get apps from Google. So basically, this is like a mini computer. All right, cast to your TV, sure, we can do all that. All right, so autofocus and keystone correction. This is the autofocus button, and as you see, it's already autofocusing. Every time you move this thing around, it'll autofocus right there. See, press to confirm, boom, right there. So we can see it had auto-corrected. So we can fine-tune adjustments if we want to, but this is the auto adjust and it's so good already. And look how big the screen is. I can literally play Street Fighter. Hadouken, Shoryuken, and it's like full size. It's so cool. All right, we're gonna play Street Fighter on this projector real soon. So we'll check it out. Boom, returns to save and exit. We can go next. We have all these options. So this is Bluetooth right here. So you can turn on Bluetooth to connect this thing to your phone and play music to the speakers on this thing if you want to. So you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. You go next, you got AI brightness adjustment right here. So it saves batteries by automatically adjusting the brightness. Like at night, it won't use so much power because you don't need such bright display. This projector is so bright during the day, it still works too. So it'll adjust the brightness accordingly. Pretty smart, right? Auto fit the screen, projector will automatically adjust screen size to your space. What? It can change the screen size? That's crazy. Alright, so you can connect to your Nebula to control the volume and all that with your phone if you want to connect. That's up to you. And you get the Nebula app that got Netflix and all these features too. Now our projector is now set up. We have the Mars 3 all set up to go. Alright, so we got our apps right there. We got YouTube. We can watch a movie. We can watch whatever we want. Let's go YouTube and let's check out something real quick. Let's check out the audio on this thing too. Look at that, YouTube. Oh wow, this thing stays nice and cool. It's nice and cool right now. And this thing is waterproof too. So if you're camping, you get a little splash of water, no problem. This thing is dust proof too. Because you know when you go camping, people are kicking out dust and dirt and mud all over the place. It's dust proof, it's waterproof, it's actually anti-drop proof, like about 0.5 meter too. Alright, so we can go ahead and check out a trailer right now. So we can search, and we can actually use voice search too. So if I go here, I can use voice search. So listen to this. Cartoon trailers, please. There we go. Best of family movie and trailers. Let's check out the audio. All right, here we go. Look at that. Let's jump the volume. Does this change the volume? Dude, the volume gets loud.
Usually has their head in the clouds.
Look, that's the volume right there.
Oh, my new jacket.
The volume is so good. Oh man, I hope it's not too loud. It's gonna wake my neighbors, but it's so loud.
Always getting into something.
Crazy loud, right? Wow. Yeah, I don't want to make it too loud because we're actually outside and my neighbors are gonna say, what are you doing so late at night? But this is so cool. The best speaker I've ever heard in a projector. It's incredible. This is awesome. So obviously you can watch, the clarity is good, 1080p, it's sharp, and like I said, you can see how nice the picture is, right? And again, let's look at some of the cool features. Like if you had this thing up like this, it will autocorrect for you and find the perfect angle, it'll autocorrect. So maybe even if the screen is right here and you want to point it all the way up because it's got the built-in stand, you can have a smaller screen right here, but look, it's gonna correct itself and now it's straight again. Look, it's straight. How cool is that, right? So you don't have to worry about any adjustments. You can even be as close as like having a tiny little screen right there. Like if this was a little bit lower, you'll be able to have that screen, right? And look, it's correct, it's straight. You can point it up a little bit more, like, or move back a little bit more and have a screen right there and it'll autocorrect. See? It's gonna autocorrect itself. Boom, it's autocorrect. How cool is that? Crazy, right? So again, if you want to, you can go back here and get the full size and you see how it's a little bit high? We have the built-in stand, so I can lower the stand. So like here, I can lower the stand and it's a very strong, sturdy stand. So if I lower the stand, I can get the angle just right to fit the screen. So I want to lower it a little bit more, like right around here, right? So it'll auto adjust and it fixes it. It's perfect. It's so good. All right, so we got the light here. We also have HDMI input too. All right, so you know there's a light back over there that's shining on my face. That's why this screen here is not in complete darkness. But come on inside. Let's turn out the lights. Welcome to my studio. I know it's really dark, but look, we're gonna go ahead and close the door right here. So now we have our own little portable theater. How cool is that? This is awesome. And of course, we can turn up the volume, enjoy the audio and everything. It's awesome because it is so cool. Our theater is not done until we have a place to sit, or better yet, lay down. All right, so we have a bed right here. We're gonna put our bed in our little theater. You see the bed is covering the projector. So now we might need to prop it up a little bit. So you see how the projector is now on the ground? The easiest solution to fix this is to simply prop up the projector with something sturdy like this. And just like that, it will auto-correct itself and we can change the footing right here. And boom, now we have a beautiful projection. So now we are in our cinema room. We can sit back, relax, and watch some awesome entertainment. This is the life, guys. This is the Nebula Mars 3. An awesome projector you can bring with you anywhere. Inside a little cabin, outside, go camping, go hiking. It's portable, it's rugged, it's weatherproof, dustproof, drop-proof. It's autofocus. Everything about it is so good. Right there. You can see it for yourself. Look at that beautiful screen, so bright. And I have my own theater in here. It's nice and lit, and the sound is amazing. I turned on the volume so you can hear me talk, but the sound in this thing, the sound is so good. You have right here a control knob, so I can control things. Like I can skip the ads right here and push this button right there. And now I can go to my entertainment again. I can turn up the volume. Listen to this thing. It's crazy loud. such good audio, right? Incredible audio. It's like a small theater here. This thing is so bright. I can even hold it back here and it'll focus. The audio is so loud in this thing. And it also has this night light right here. Very cool projector, auto-focusing all the time. I can even hold the projector right here and you can see the projection, right? And you can see the light right here too. You have a beautiful night light, a cap light, everything you can ask for. Obviously, it's auto-focusing and I have the settings set so that every time I move it, it auto-focuses. Look how nice it focuses. Perfect. And you have a light too. Again, weatherproof, dustproof, drop-proof. It's got a light. It's got 5-hour battery life, 1080p, AI brightness, super bright. This thing is capable. This is the battery indicator right there, so I have a lot of battery left. This thing sounds good. Some of the most amazing audio I've heard in any projector. Street Fighter 6 trailer. So sharp, right?
I've always done.
Beautiful, right there.
When you said you were seeking strength, despite having no real need to do so, honestly, I thought you were a complete idiot.
Amazing. Super vivid color. This is small right now because we're so close. We'll move this back here and it'll auto adjust for us. Right there. Auto adjust. Boom. Look at that. Oh man, this is the life right here.
This journey doesn't have a real ending.
There we go. The Nebula Mars 3. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. Street Fighter. Oh yeah. The colors are so vivid. The audio is so good. You can imagine playing video games like this. As a kid, you're gonna love it. As an adult, you're gonna love it just as much. This is so awesome. I have my little shed out here, and literally I have a huge screen. It takes up no space. This is literally just a projector screen, but it looks so crisp, so clear. The refresh rate is so fast. It feels like I'm watching a normal TV screen. It's so sharp. No delay, no ghosting, no lagging. 1080p. Amazing brightness. Look at that action. The speaker sounds good. The video sounds good. I can be here all day, guys. I can live in this shed. This shed is better than my home because of this projector. So cool. Look at the action. Look at the color. Look at the vibrance, the brightness, and everything about it. Such a small projector. And don't forget, it has 5-hour battery life in that projector. And it has amazing display. You can use it to charge your other devices. It's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. This thing is the ultimate projector you can use anywhere. It's amazing. I mean, wow. There's Guile. Street Fighter fans, rejoice, right? Amazing. Can you imagine playing Street Fighter here, having your buddy over, hanging out in a shed like that with a huge screen? It's just awesome. And literally, this is a projector screen. Don't forget, this is the projector screen. You can see it's coming from the projector. It's just so good. I forget that this is coming from a projector. It's just amazing. You can just literally chill here and have a real good time. Street Fighter 6 on a Mars 3 projector. Just amazing. The audio is so good too. Some of the best speaker I've ever seen on a projector. This thing is incredible.